theme from the London Symphony. This piece is in the key of D major. In D major, you have F sharp and C sharp. That means when you look at a piece, the note F sharp and G natural are half steps. The fingers are close together, and you have D and C sharp on the A string. Those fingers are going to be close together. Please make sure that you are marking the half step with these V-like symbols. So again, F sharp to G and D to C sharp. Again, F to G, D to C sharp, and again, D. Anytime you have those notes next to each other between a C and a D or G and an F, it doesn't matter what order, they are going to be half steps. So demonstrate on the violin. Again, F sharp to G on the D string. This is my D string. F sharp is here. This is my G, third finger. They're going to be close together. On the A string, C sharp is right here. And then D, those fingers are going to be close together. Okay, let's start practicing this from the beginning to end. I'm going to set my metronome to this tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm feeling the beat so I know how slow I'm going to take this or how fast I will take this. Okay, so let's get our violins up. My thumb is placed right here with a hole inside, little space. Fingers are just hovering over my strings for now. I'm looking at the first bar, preparing my second finger, and just looking ahead to see what note comes next. Get my bow hold. Index is here, middle, fourth, pinky is resting here. My fingers are all spread out, and I have a curved thumb like this. Here we go. After one bar, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. The bow all the way to the frog, all the way to the frog, all the way to the tip. Make sure your bow is near the bridge. All the way to the tip. All the way to the frog. 1, 2, 3, 4. Freeze. And then place our violins down. What a beautiful song. Thank you.